Right now, our Economy Sentiment API is showing a surprisingly negative sentiment score of -0.12, even as momentum has surged to +0.33. This divergence hints at an intriguing shift. While short-term activity is picking up, the underlying sentiment is still pessimistic. You might find this particularly noteworthy compared to the historical baseline, where negative sentiment typically aligns more closely with stalled momentum. Our API returns detailed sentiment analysis across multiple semantic clusters, allowing you to pinpoint specific areas of concern or optimism within the economic landscape. For example, you could leverage this insight to adjust your investment strategies or risk assessments. To dive deeper, check out our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's make sense of this data together.